Hello family members, good day to you. It's been a while I did a food video, like a food tutorial. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make the yummiest, the most delicious jollof rice ever. Well, it's safe to call me Chef A. My father called me and was like, he's expecting a guest that is hosting, expecting about 8 to 10 people. Then he said I should just make rice, that'll be enough for them. Immediately I told myself, okay, let me just make jollof rice, and I will just do 3 derica of jollof rice. So I remember that we have leftover fish that I kept in the freezer. I took the fish out of the freezer. They were not bad because I'm having consistent light, so they were still okay. I washed them. Normally I wash everything I used to cook with salt. Like Yoruba, you know what they call afishi. When they say that they use this thing and do you, that is what I feel. I wash almost everything with salt because I don't really trust these things very well. So I proceed to add the spice in my fish. I added curry, I added thyme, I added onions. I cut some fresh pepper, just like 4. Normally left to me, I would have just marinated this fish and immediately I'll fry it, but these people are aged, they're elderly people, so I don't want to give them half done fish. You know, these people that experience, so let me not disappoint my mother. I decided to boil it. Father told me that these people, they are vegetarians, like they mainly consume vegetables, which I was so scared about. All my life I've never cooked a jollof rice with leaf before. It's just the first time. Like I said earlier, they use salt and do me proudly speaking because I don't trust these things. See what I'm saying? Can you see? The water is already black. Can you see? Imagine consuming this thing because ordinary water will not clean it, so you need salt to clean it very well. So I proceeded to frying my fish. I added king's oil. That's what we use at home. Sometimes we use palm oil. I added king's oil to the frying pan. There's also one thing I do. I used to add small salt again. Believe me when I say they use salt and do me, I'm very serious about it. So I added small salt to my oil to give it a nice taste. Trust me guys, see, you guys don't even know the importance of salt. Don't use it too much, but salt is very nice. Then I proceed to my rice. I parboiled the rice, I put it on fire, let's just do its thing. While the rice was boiling, I decided to just blend the pepper. So I used mortar since we are going back to time. If you guys use this in your house today, it's just yes, so we still use mortar. I feel mortar just give it just organic kind of feeling. So I parboiled my rice. This is my rice. It was too big at this point. I was like, actually, don't fuck up, it's plenty, but I will not disappoint my ancestors. So I put my pot on the fire. I added my king's oil I showed you guys earlier. After that, I added onions. One thing about jollof rice is the base. Just make sure the base of your rice is sweet, like a 1000 over 100, that kind of flavor. I added onions, I added curry, and I added small salt again. Then I added my blended tomatoes and pepper. I added crayfish. I love crayfish. Also, there's one thing I love is spicy. If you don't have it at home, please get it. It is very nice. Sincerely, take it from me in your food. I'm this kind of person. I'm a visual eater. I eat what I see, like it must be enticing in my eyes for me to eat it. So I had to put the fish back to the base so that to have that. Oh, you guys, if you understand, you understand. I shall remove it so that it's not cooked too much. So guys, I forgot to add my vegetables, so I decided to fry all of them, and I fried this using king's butter. I added it to my rice, by the way. I don't know, guys, you guys need to test this food because who is the chef again? Chef A.